Gotta have a little tiny dump trailer, so bought one of those too. All right, we are back out here at the trailer store, David's place out here in Winnemucca. And a while back, I sold my 14-foot 14K dump trailer when I got my new Diamond C, and honestly, I regretted that. So told him next time you get one of these, I'm gonna take one. So we'll hook up to this, move it out back, and I'll show you something else that we're gonna be grabbing. So we got some stuff going on today. It does come with a automatic jack. I think that's temporary though. The other one gave it a slight oil bath earlier, so. Look at that. Got the Can Squisher 9000. I think we're good to go. Pull it around the back. We'll leave, if you go to Home Depot, those boards right there, you can throw them on the shelf or return them. This is 85 bucks.
The bent one especially.
Yeah.
I love bent ones.
They'll look at that straight one and go, that ain't ours. You can't return that. But this right here is the main reason why we are here. The Mini Buddy.
Level this thing up a bit.
Yeah.
The base.
Oh, okay. I was just going to throw it in the back of the dump trailer and just leave it in there. All right, let's explain what's going on here. So,
IROC Z.
dude, third gen. What's going on, guy? Anyway, I wanted to buy this little bit. It's a Mini Buddy is what I'm going to call it. This is for my dad. Something just make life a lot easier for loading wheel tractor or the track lift. And so how long's it been since we tried to make this all happen?
A little over a year ago.
Yeah. The idea was to get it before his birthday, which is April of this year. And well, now it'll be an early birthday present this coming year. So a little Swiss Army knife of every trailer, I guess. Gotta have a little tiny dump trailer, so bought one of those too. And I'm gonna haul them both at the same time. Also, the deck on the neck for the big dump trailer is finally here. So we gotta triple stack everything.
Yeah.
So.
A little more there, V-belt.
What a funny looking little setup. Not saying the trailers I normally haul are freaking huge, but my bumper pole is 22 feet long deck, and this one's 16, so it's quite a bit smaller. But this is exactly what Haas needs, and it'd be nice to get his setup upgraded. So that, I'm gonna show V-belt that later on. You get a whole tour video on that, but getting some stuff moved around a little bit so we can get to the forklift. He's got a Big Buddy copy clone right there. That's the same trailer as mine. But where is it? Over there. The deck on the neck. That's where supposed to be for the big dump trailer. But why is this thing not a Diamond C? Why did we get this? What, you know? Well, for one, needed something that everybody could use. So the big gooseneck, just nobody can use that thing. And 14-foot bumper pole, super easy to back up, super easy to tow, and anybody with a pickup can freaking pull this thing around. So if one of my family members needs this, it helps me out because I don't have to be the one running the gunning with the trailer. So looking forward to trying this thing out. It seems pretty well built. Nope, that's not my 40K. No idea where that's at. Well, I didn't know you had to extend. Different kind of guy after you know that. To do.
Brings them to me at home.
Oh, there you go. Just set her down. I think we can kick it around a little bit. Come out this way just a touch. Oh, don't hit my fender. Remember that story? Extremely powerful and loud. DeWalt. Don't let anybody at home see this. I'm running a DeWalt.
You like the DeWalt stuff, don't you?
No, I said don't let nobody see that I'm running this.
At least bought a bigger tool.
Had to borrow it from the guy that has extenders. You ever heard of just shooting it from the hip? Nah. That's an idea I wanted to do a while back when I got the little buddy and my enclosed trailer. I wanted them both to be here at the same time so I could stack them and just make one trip so I don't have to drive, 8 hours for twice. So we're just gonna stack them and stack them and stack them.
It's on its side, literally. Maybe drove around the other side with the chain to it. He backed up and caught it. Got it down.
Oh. Well, if she works, she works. I know every time that happens, he's like, I hope they don't ship another like that. Sure. That might be one of the most awkward loads I've ever done, but I'm gonna get a couple more tie downs put on the main trailer. That up there, I don't think it's gonna go nowhere. She's pretty solid, but just to be safe, go get a couple. What the heck? I don't want that. Well, trial and error, and now with great educational background in the trailer stacking field, triple stacked, i.e. with the trailer without no axles up on the roof. So thank you, David. If you're Winnemucca, Nevada, California, I'm in California, but I'll personally come out here because he's a good dude, great prices, and right now he's got pretty good inventory of the Ed trailers and some Diamond C's, so check it out. Thank you again, David.
Oh, thanks, man.
See you next one.
See it.
Well, it goes like this. Cost me $100 to get here, cost me $100 to get home on this price fuel of $4.97 with the little discount code. So put $500 in here. That same $500 would have cost me $650 at home. So if I spend about 20 minutes here, because you only go up to 100 and then you got to reset, so I got to do this 3 more times, worth $150. So we're gonna do that, and I've said this before on videos like this. This is my personal trailers. Actually, the bottom one I bought for my dad. It's not even gonna be mine. The top one I bought is just a loaner. I don't really have any plans of hiring out or anything. These are my personal units I'm hiring or hauling back home. No hire. So I don't need these numbers. See how they fare, because I don't have any numbers. I don't need any numbers. Well, this is my favorite exit. Don't know why. I just always stop at this one going each direction. Check all the tie downs. I had one loose one. Just make sure that's the closest we got to actually touching something is right there, but it doesn't look like it's moved. I put this guy up there just in case. I brought 6 tie downs, and then I bought 8 more little guys, and there's 3 of those all over the place. But we have about 90 miles to order, and then about that home, so I got about 180-ish to go. And it's like 4:30, 5 o'clock right now, and I've been up since 3 a.m., so I might just chill for a second. Catch some Z's. Oh yeah, it went through a whoop section with the trailer. That's honestly a big reason why I pulled over just now before I get into thick traffic of Reno. I was worried that like the trailer was gonna get ripped off the ball. It was pretty, the intense doesn't do it. I mean, it was violent. Damn, sun's right in the face. Ugh. Nevada. Yep. Unless there's a gold mine or a tree or a casino, this is what it looks like out here. So, newsflash on how the trailer combo is doing. I'm glad we switched and turned around the dump trailer and put the tailgates forward. We got tongue weight. It tracks pretty good. If you swerve just a little bit, it gives it that little meep, 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 which is, oh shit, oh shit. So don't do that. So that's a little sketchy. But other than that, I'm just keeping her at a smooth, mature speed limit. 80 mile an hour is the limit out here. But what we got here? Las Vegas exit. We don't want that one. That's one of them casinos. We got 80 miles-ish to the line. Burning Man people are such idiots. They buy the biggest piece of junk and they spray paint some junk on it. And they drive it out here. I don't even know if it's roadworthy, but this moron up here is towing a little camper. And me and homeboy hotshot guy here, we almost, hung out. Get up here on this stupid thing. Look at this piece of junk. It's just like a 70 zone right here. And he's doing, I'm going to say 40. I need to get, Oh, good old Reno. All this smoke is from California. But the guys that run the tree category of the state over, California, we'll see what they have to say going across. Skip the scale option, because I'm not for hire. I'm not getting paid for this. But remember how I said the roads were a little rough here and there? Well, wait till I hit the borderline, and here it is right here. See how it's nice blacktop, nice blacktop, nice blacktop. Yep, that smoke is pretty bad. Anyway, scales are right up around the corner here. Pulled over, checked the load before we came up this far, and got behind the hotshot guy again. You know, the one that we almost, hung out with the Burning Man people. Way too close. Well, he says he's just gonna go right on through. It's actually, if those are blocked up, you're supposed to go past them instead of leaving regular cars hanging out to dry. She's busy today. She's busy.
It's a good sign.
People are out working, making stuff happen. Good stuff. Trucks and buses. Just gonna follow Junie in here.
What? The fuck?
That was weird. I know that's just the ag station, but there is nobody even in it. Okay. Now, as per your previous videos, check back there. You have them coming? Oh, okay. We were so close. I got time. We're gonna pass them. There's a double convoy of burning people. They get the crappiest stuff because they're gonna beat on it and kill it out in the desert, and then they're still expecting it to make the drive home. They were doing 35. I was literally doing the trailer speed limit. By the way, this little configuration is a squirrely little mofo. I'm glad the truck outweighs it a lot, because if you're towing this with your 1500 Chevrolet, you'd be in the ditch. Sweet G's. Made it home. Put the truck kind of idle for a minute. It hasn't been shut off in like 5.5 hours. A lot of driving today. I don't remember the total miles, but stopped, took a nap, left the air on. But we made her back. No issues, no DOT problems, like we shouldn't, but all the tie downs are still tight. Oh, very, very tight. Oh, this is the main concern. We still got barely some room right there, but stick tuned for the next video unloading this thing, getting the dump trailer ready, and then surprising Dad with the new little mini buddy. So, man, we'll see ya. And then the dump trailer, that's just kind of like anybody can borrow it, the family kind of a deal. I just want to have something that can help everybody out. But thank you guys for watching. Hit them buttons, like, comment, subscribe. You don't have to subscribe, just like the video and share it. That'd be cool. Thanks.